How to get rid of bed bugs naturally at home. You can develop a bed bug infestation no matter how clean your house is. This is because bed bugs roam and feed on the sweat, blood, and carbon dioxide that humans and animals create, so they may stay in your home indefinitely. Washing your bed linens frequently may help to reduce their numbers, but applying these natural home cures can completely eliminate them. 1. Use extremes of heat or cold. Wash bedding, garments, plush animals, and soft objects in the washing machine on the highest temperature possible, over 140 degrees Fahrenheit, to destroy bed bugs instantly. Anything that can't be washed should be placed in plastic bags and put in the freezer. Allow at least 24 hours in the freezer before removing and shaking them out to eliminate dead bed bugs and eggs. Use a steam cleaner on the hottest setting, over 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for large things such as bed mattresses or furniture. Run the steam cleaner over the bed or furniture a few times, giving special attention to the nooks and crevices where bed bugs like to hide. 2. Diatomaceous earth. Bedbugs dislike diatomaceous earth because it is a naturally produced sand that is highly rough and abrasive. Because bedbugs have flimsy exoskeletons, crawling into or over diatomaceous earth rips them apart. Diatomaceous earth should be sprinkled on afflicted areas and left for 24 to 48 hours before vacuuming to remove the dead bedbugs. Make sure to use diatomaceous earth that is made exclusively for pest control. 4. Borax. Borax is a natural household cleaning product that suffocates bed bugs to death. To use, scatter a large quantity of borax across your mattress and leave for 24 hours. While bed bugs will not eat the borax, they will have difficulty breathing if it is poured on them. When washing your items, you may also add borax to the washing machine. 4. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol can destroy practically anything, including bed bugs, bed bug larvae, and eggs. You can kill bed bugs on contact if you use a 90% or higher alcohol dilution. Put alcohol in a spray bottle and spray bed bugs on site, as well as spraying their hiding places and where they lay their eggs. 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral alternative to rubbing alcohol. While tea tree oil does not kill all bed bugs on contact, it is an effective repellent and conceals the odor of sweat, which attracts bed bugs. The best recommendation is to spray your bed sheets and furnishings with undiluted tea tree oil. However, those who are sensitive to the odor can dilute it with a little water. 6. Lavender and Peppermint Oil. Bedbugs and other insects are repelled by the scents of lavender and peppermint. Although lavender and peppermint essential oil spray won't eliminate bed bugs on contact, it will keep them away from your house. In a spray bottle, combine 10 drops lavender, 10 drops peppermint oil, and 20 drops water and spray liberally wherever bed bugs hide. Drop a comment below and let us know which method worked best for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.